Hey yo guys, welcome back. The next one, lead code 1400 construct k palindromic string, palindrome string. Medium level problem. Let's see. Given a string s and an integer k, you have a string s and an integer k. Return true if you can use all the characters in s to construct non-empty k palindromic strings, or false otherwise. So let's see. Now let's keep an edge case first. So for here, let's see example 2. Here s equals to enable and k equals to 2. If we have to construct two palindromic strings out of these, Anna and Belle would do the two palindromic strings. If we shift B to the middle, or middle here, and here if we have to separate k into three palindromic strings, then we cannot do it, because the odd number of values here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All of them are oddly separated, and if we have to make this a palindromic string, then the k value should be that's great. I got an idea. I just got an idea. So let's do this. If k is greater than or equals to length of s, return true or else let's calculate what should be the case value for s to be palindromic. Count equals to counter of s. Let's print count and see. Let's evaluate if our idea is a valid idea. From here, for this to be a palindromic, just a can be a 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to select a least k, at least k. Least k equals to k initially. Now we can calculate how many odd values and even values are there. For every even value, one odd value can be associated to make a string palindromic. So let's see. Let's count the odd for I in count, if I percent equals to 0, k will be between 1 and 10 to the power of 5. List k minus equals to 1. Int list not frame count, for it's a string, count of I. Enable 2a's 2n's of infinity. Is equals to return. Before that, let's now return list k is less than or equals to k. Oh, that's great. What we are doing here is we are counting the frequency and checking if there are any oddly, what do we call it, odd frequencies, odd numbered frequencies in the count. So for here for example, the odd numbered frequencies t is one time, r is one time, u is one time, and e is one time. So there are 4 odd numbered frequencies and least count would be 4, and 4 is equals to the 4, which would be true. And for lead code here, L is occurred one time, E occurred 3 times, which is odd, so 2 odds. T occurred one time, 3 odds. C occurred one time, 4 odds. And O occurred one time, which is 5 odds in total. So the least k should be 5, but the k is 3. And since least k is not less than or equals to k, it would be false. Let's submit this now and see how this would go. if k is greater than but something is not. How is this true? Put each character in a separate strings. Okay. Got it, guys. We need exactly k to construct non-empty k palindromic strings. Exactly k palindromic strings. If k is greater than length of s, we should return false. Now that's cool. With this corrected, we'll have at least, the remaining test cases that come through here is k will be at least the length of the string, and if it is the length of the string, then we can gladly return true. If, and if k equals to length of s, we can gladly return true. This would be only if it is greater, then we are not gonna encounter it here. If it is equal, then we are not going to go down as well. So everything we we are checking here is where k is less than the length of s. So this would work. Let me submit this again. What a mess. 1, 2, 3. Right. Why? Count comma list k. Oh, this should be equal. List k is the number of now this will work perfectly. Well, one wrong solution, but it is worth the knowledge. The education I have learned. I have to think through the problem clearly. I'm submitting it. Seems like it is not an optimal solution. Let's see what others did. Okay. count variable is the count of C for C in alphabet. And okay, alphabet for character in alphabet. Total tally plus S plus, S dot count %2. Count that's beautiful, but count would take order of and time. So if only we keep this if list k is greater than k, return this would add a heavy edge. Yeah, that's pretty close. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys understood the intuition. And if you like the video, upvote it and share it with your friends. This for loop would take order of, I mean, constant time. So the counting thing is the only thing here. Why did missing person? So that's it, guys. I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, upload it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep pushing hard. Goodbye, guys. Also, don't forget to leave a comment so that we'll get a better reach, or at least we'll get a better reach, or for good, we can address your problems and doubts. Thank you for choosing the channel again. Goodbye, guys.